All right. So, good evening. I'm Lopa Shigaki, and
My name is Toshiro Shigaki. Hello.
so we'll start today's lesson. So let me share the screen. Let us start. Now, this is Mr. Yamada. Okay, Mr. Yamada, and Mr. Yamada is eating an apple. Okay, this is an apple, and apple in Japanese is called
Ringo.
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 Ringo. So please feel free to repeat after him.
Ringo.
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 Ringo. And
Ringo.
Yeah.
Ringo.
Ringo. That's right. Is the pronunciation good? Okay. And so Yamada, in last class, we saw this kanji, and this is kanji for Yama. And
Yama, it means mountain.
yeah, that's right. It's mountain. Very good. So this is mountain. And do you know what the second kanji is for? The
Mada.
Yeah, so the second kanji is for paddy field. Okay, for paddy field. Usually the paddy fields are like this. So the paddy field is ta or da. Okay, ta or da. So yama da, yamada. So we don't call just yamada. We have to say Mr. So in Japanese, the Mr. or Mrs. is san. So Yamada-san. Okay. Now, usually the beginners may not be able to read this kanji. So usually in school, elementary school also, you will find a kanji like below the kanji, some hiragana. So this is yama and da. So yamada. So the students will learn how to read the kanji. And this kind of writing in hiragana below the kanji is called kurigana. Okay, kurigana. If you would look at this hiragana, it's written hu, ri, ga, na. Though it is hurigana, we should say furigana.
Hiragana.
Furigana. Okay. So this was about. So people are coming in slowly. So this is furigana. Okay. So please remember the sentence. We'll first cover the today's topic. So today's topic is today's topic is Japanese sentence structure, Hiragana and Katakana from ka to ko, and some words related to letters we learned today. And please try to recognize the kanji characters. So first topic, Japanese sentence structure. So earlier we met Mr. Yamada-san. So Yamada-san, I shouldn't say Mr. Yamada-san, that's redundant. So just either say Mr. Yamada, or since we speak in Japanese, we say Yamada-san. So Yamada-san will discuss about the sentence structure. So in English, if we have to say Mr. Yamada eats an apple, that's how we say. So Mr. Yamada is the subject eats is the verb and apple is the object. So subject, verb, and object. That's how we write in English. But in Japanese, we write like this. Mr. Yamada, apple eats. If we translate it into English, this is how it is. Mr. Yamada, apple eats. So the eats verb will come at the end of the sentence. We don't put it in the middle. So in Japanese, it is like
山田さんはリンゴを食べます。
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 山田さんはリンゴを食べます。Okay. So if you look here, this is wa. Okay. Though in hiragana it is written ha, we read it as wa. And this, we pronounce it as o, but it is written when you write o, you won't be able to find it. Instead, you will find this a, I, u, a, o. So when you type, you have to type w-o, then you will get this o. Okay. So once again, please repeat after Toshiro.
山田さんはリンゴを食べます。
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 山田さんはリンゴを食べます。Okay. So this was the first example of Japanese sentence structure. Now we'll see more Japanese sentence structures. Okay. There are 4 examples which we'll cover. The first sentence is a dog saw a cat. Okay, I wrote a dog saw a cat. So when you try to make the translation, this is how it will be: dog, cat, and saw. That's how we speak in Japanese. That's the Japanese sentence structure. So dog is inu. Okay, dog is called inu, and this is the kanji for inu. So inu wa, this is neko. Okay, neko means cat. Inu wa neko o mimashita. Okay, inu wa neko o mimashita. So please listen to Toshiro and repeat after him.
犬は猫を見ました。
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 犬は猫を見ました。So this is how the verb will be at the end of the sentence. Now let us see the next sentence structure. I bought a TV. Okay. So can anyone guess what will be at the end of the sentence? Okay.
Both.
買いました。
Yeah, that's right. Kaimashita, that's right. So the bought will be at the end of the sentence. So when we say, I TV bought, that's how we'll say it in Japanese. So when we say it in Japanese,
私はテレビを買いました。
watashi wa terebi o kaimashita. Because it was past tense, we always say kaimashita. Ta, whenever mashita comes, it means that it is something about past tense, okay? Something that is finished. Okay, one second, please.
私はテレビを買いました。
Watashi wa terebi o kaimashita. Okay, so this is I bought a TV. Watashi wa terebi o kaimashita. This is how we say I bought a TV. Now, sentence number 3. Listen to music. Okay, listen to music. So, listen is kiku, ne? Kikimasu. And music is ongaku. Okay, so can anyone guess How to say this? We say music, listen. Okay. So yes,
Ongaku o kikimasu.
very good. Well done. So ongaku o kikimasu. Okay. Ongaku o kikimasu. So please listen to the pronunciation.
音楽を聴きます。
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 音楽を聴きます。And the pronunciation in Japanese is called hatsuon. Okay, hatsuon. All right. The last sentence is he sells cars. Okay, he sells cars. So this will be cars is called kuruma. Okay, kuruma. And sell is urimasu. And he is kare. So it will be kare wa kuruma o urimasu. Okay. So please listen to Toshiro.
彼は車を売ります。
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 彼は車を売ります。So these are the 4 sentence structures. Okay, this is how we speak in Japanese. All right. So we just had an overview of the Japanese sentence structure. We'll cover more in future classes. So now let's go to the next topic. Next topic is Hiragana from ka to ko. Okay. So please listen to Toshiro.
Ka.
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 Ka. Okay. This is ka. And ka is written like this. Okay. When you type, you have to type Ka to get that character ka. And ka as in
火事、
kaji.
火事、
Kaji. So kaji. Okay. Kaji means fire. Okay. Kaji means fire. So it seems someone wants to come in. Shall I stop sharing? No. Okay. Please hold on. I think someone wants to come in. No, I don't think so. Okay. So yeah, let's continue. Next is ki.
き、
Ki. Okay. Ki. When you type, you have to type Ki, ki. Okay. And it's written like this. And ki as in
き、
ki. Ki. Ki is tree. Okay. So this is kanji for tree. Okay. All right. So the next one is
く、
ku.
く、
Ku. And ku is typed ku. And ku as in
空気、
ku. Ki.
空気、
Ku. Ki. So if you look at this ku, ki. Ku, ki. Okay. And ku ki means air or atmosphere. Okay, the next one.
け、
K.
け、
K. K is typed K-A. K-E. Okay, sorry. K-E. Okay, K-E. When you type K-E, get K. And K as in
消しゴム、
Keshigomu.
消しゴム、
Keshigomu. So, Toshiro-san, may I ask why is this gomu
ゴム
is in katakana?
Gomu is a long word.
Yeah.
Being borrowed from a foreign language and written in katakana rather than hiragana.
Okay, because it is in katakana, this is borrowed from foreign word. It is written in katakana. So, keshigomu. So, you can see in just this word, you will find a kanji, hiragana, and katakana. So, all 3 are put in just one word. Okay. So, keshigomu. And this kesu kesu means to extinguish fire or to erase. So when you find this kanji near the, you will find this near the fire extinguisher, this kanji, okay? So good to remember it. Okay, so now let's go to the next one.
Ko.
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 Ko. And please remember, though this looks like a straight line, actually this was the text I found when I made this animation, but actually it's like this, nicely curved like this, okay? Ko, this is ko. And to get this letter, you have to type K-O, ko. And ko as in
Koinu.
ko-inu,
Koinu.
ko-inu, okay? Ko-inu. So this is kanji for child, and this one is kanji for dog. So inu and ko. So ko-inu, puppy, okay? Or small dog. This ko-inu. All right. So now let's go to the next. So we learned all the hiragana for this class. Yes, can you please say this?
Ka.
Ka,
Ki.
ki,
Ku.
ku,
Ke.
ke,
Ko.
ko.
Ka.
Ka,
Ki.
ki,
Ku.
ku,
Ke.
ke,
Ko.
ko. Okay. So this is the hiragana. Now we'll learn the katakana with the same pronunciation, ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Again, same. So this is katakana.
Ka.
Ka. Okay.
Ka.
Ka. Okay.
Ka.
Ka. So ka, again type ka, and this is
Counter.
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 Counter. Okay. Counter. Okay. And you will find a line over here. This is not actually a hyphen. This means that if you see hiragana and katakana, it has one consonant and one vowel. So in this case, K-A, and so this ta, this is ta, okay? Katakana ta. So ta, the last, the vowel part has to be stressed, okay? So whenever this line comes, so the katakana before it, the vowel part should be stressed. So counta, you have. I'm sorry, I'm exaggerating, but it's like this.
Counter.
Counta. Okay. So next is
Ki.
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 And ki as in
Kitchen.
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 Kitchen. And if you would see, this is katakana s, okay? S. But it's very small. It's not big. So you shouldn't read it as s. It means that the consonant part of the hiragana that comes after the s should be stressed. So it will be like
Kitchen.
kitchen. Okay?
Kitchen.
Kitchen. Okay. I'm exaggerating so that you get the point. Kitchen. Okay. So that's how we say. So this is chi. Okay. So kitchen. That's how we read it. And kitchen is again
Kitchen.
kitchen. Okay. Okay. Now let's see the next part.
Ku.
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 Ku. The ku is typed Ku, and ku as in
Kurasu.
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 Kurasu. Okay. So this is easy. Kura, ku, ra, and su. Kurasu. And
Ke.
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 Ke. And ke as in
Cake.
keiki.
Keiki.
Keiki. Again, if you see this is K, and here there is a line. It means that the vowel part should be stressed. So K, okay, K-E-K. So K-K. Okay, K-K. K-K is cake. Next is
Ko.
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 Ko. So Ko, it should be written like this. It has 2 strokes, 1 and 2. Please remember the stroke orders and try to practice in this. And this is
Kohi.
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 Kohi. So Kohi is coffee. Okay. And you will find again these 2 lines here. And this is Ko, O, He, E. So Ko, He. So Kohi. That's how we read it. All right, so this is the end of Hiragana and Katakana. Now, a small thing I would like to say after we repeat this. Yes.
Ka.
Ka.
Ki.
Ki.
Ku.
Ku.
Ke.
Ke.
Ko.
Ko.
Ka.
Ka.
Ki.
Ki.
Ku.
Ku.
Ke.
Ke.
Ko.
Okay. And so, if you look at the next. Okay. So, when you're this is our group, and in the group when you go to the media, you will find this folder, Hiragana Katakana folder. Yuki Aono-san has uploaded it, and thanks to Ida-san who had given this worksheets. So when you can print out this worksheet and practice on it. So please remember, when you're practicing, please each letter, whether it's kanji, hiragana or katakana, each you should imagine a square, or if you print this, then you don't need to you won't face any problem. So in this square, in each square, you need to write the character in the exact way. So if the curve is like this, then you have to remember the curve, okay? And the slant, the best possible way, you need to copy the exact way of writing. So in the square, there'll be again divided into 4 parts, and that's how you have to balance the character. So it's very artistic and maybe interesting for some and difficult for others. And please know that there are guides also. So there are plenty of study material in our group. So whenever you want to see, please refer them. Okay. All right. So this was today's class. And so, yeah. So do you have any question regarding today's class? Yeah. Oh, okay. All right. All right. There is one person waiting. So anyway, we are at the end of the class, and anyone has any question regarding today's? No questions?
No.
All right. So then we will end the class for today. And this video will be uploaded, and also Toshiro will upload the pronunciation video. So if you want to practice, you can practice in that. So and please give us your feedback, how the lessons are, so that we can improve and get better. Okay. So thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
ありがとうございます。
ありがとう。
See you next Saturday.
See you next Saturday then. Thank you.
さよなら。
Yeah, see you. じゃあまた。